Hello and welcome to the next episode of Earth Defense Force 4.1. Yesterday we managed to take out the Ravager's four-legged walking fortress and drive the ants out of the hills. Let's hope the war continues on this better winning streak. Let's see what we have in store for today. Right, let's check today's mission. Thunder. Ooh. Looks like the mothership aren't too happy about losing the fortress. Let's go engage it in battle. As you can see, the mothership is directly above the city. So this is going to be one hell of a battle. And there are enemy units in his way. We need to get rid of these as quickly as possible. So we haven't really seen much of the mothership in the ways of attacks or anything. Every time we've encountered it, it's just been leaving. So let's see what it's going to do against us today. Alright, let's continue taking on these units. Yeah, the rocket launcher is just making short work of these guys. Alright, second enemy unit taken out. A few more to go. It's launching gunships at us. We've definitely seen it do that before. That ant up there just chilling. I knew there was one of them somewhere. We've got an Hector closing in on us, and it's armed with 2 artillery cannons. Oof, I took a hit. Another ship's deploying something. Let's hope it's not another fortress. It's some sort of giant gun by the looks of it. Let's hope we don't find out what that does. Let's continue fighting the enemies. What the? I just took out a giant swath of the city. Let's see if we can destroy this thing before it fires again. Yeah, we can't repel firepower of that magnitude. We can't afford to get hit by it. But we've managed to disable it for now. It looks like there's a weak spot exposed in the ship. But we can't hurt it. all we can do is fight these ground units. And it seems I've been isolated yet again. So let's take on these enemies and just try to survive. Just a few more left. I want to get rid of this sector. And things have turned a turn for the worst. But it looks like we've managed to stop the ship's attack on the city, stopping any more damage. Just got to take out its support units. And hopefully we could drive it off. Let's grab this weapon case before I take out the last one. Oh, it's launching more attack drones. We've pissed the thing off. But it can't fire its main weapon at us anymore, so gunships aren't really that much of a problem, and we haven't got any more Hectors bothering us or ants. So it should be just a simple clean-up operation now. Let's take out these remaining air units and we'll be fine. The battle for Earth isn't going very well at all. I'll turn the volume up a bit, it's a bit low. Just a few more of these to do and this mission's done. That mothership is retreating into the skybox. We've made it run. Looks like Europe is in their sights. There can't be much defense units left. That's another mission complete. Let's get into the next one. Let's see, eruption. Oh, we've got more ant-holes in the city. Let's begin. I'll keep this weapon set. This one can be quite difficult. These holes are appearing all over the city. You need to get to them quick. Let's engage. Yep, we have to get rid of those. A number of the holes are inside the riverbank. Right, one down. We need to get rid of these spawners as quickly as we can. Especially the ones spawning the spiders. So we don't want to engage spiders. Looks like a battle's going on against the mothership in Europe. Hopefully they will succeed against it, but I've got a feeling they're not gonna. We wanna come at that spider spawner from another angle. Right, the worst one has been destroyed. That was the last one. So we've cleaned up the bugs in the city for now, but I doubt it'll be long. Next mission.
Select a mission.
Right, we'll need a sniper rifle for this one.
You may equip up to 2 weapons at once.
Take the lasso and an assault rifle.
Select a mission.
Looks like they've sent in an enemy unit to surround my surviving forces to take me out.
Select a difficulty.
Let's begin.
Operation.
We're surrounded by UFOs.
Yep.
Take them on here. Fire at them.
The enemies. One down. Gonna take these UFOs out as quickly as you can. This is another good farming level. If you destroy all but one of the UFO dropships, but make sure you destroy the ones carrying the spiders first, because they're the ones, the more annoying enemy on this level. We've sent quite a few units in to try to get us. So I reckon that one's a spider unit. And 2 left. But we're just going to take them out as quickly as we can. Looks like Europe has fallen. North America is going to be the next battlefront. All we can do here in Japan is keep fighting. It's looking like the situation for Earth is getting even grimmer. It just even gets worse for Europe. But here in Japan, we're still holding the line. Let's do another mission. We've still got plenty of time.
Select a difficulty before starting a level. The harder the difficulty, choose your weapons. You may equip up to 2
Yeah, let's
weapons
keep the
at once.
sniper.
Select a mission.
Right, last time we had one of these guys to deal with. On this one, we've got 2. I believe there's a battle machine, which is a great help at taking these out. Yep, there it is. If you've noticed, the soldiers, I believe they're using the zero laser rifles. This is one of the easiest levels to do on Inferno mode. So all you have to do is jump in this machine and it does most of the work for you. Because it has over 9,999 health. 1 down. Concentrate fire on the second one. Just keep up the fire. And there we go. Nice easy mission. This one's a bit of a breather mission. Although we didn't collect any goodies from that one.
Select a mission.
Right, and we'll do one more mission for today. Return.
Choose your weapons. You may equip up to 2 weapons at once.
Let's take this.
Select a mission.
We're gonna
Select a difficulty.
assault the bugs in the mountain pass. There's a trying to wipe the rest of them out. But as you know, insects tend to breed really fast. We have a sizable unit.
You hear that? It's those cars. A whole army of them.
Yeah, a lot of these guys have rockets. They've got us in a really bad situation as well. You don't want to be trapped in the valley in a battle where the enemies command the high ground. But luckily the ants aren't too smart. Yes, they're big and dangerous. They don't have ballistic firepower. Especially these type, they're the biting ants. As long as we don't panic, we can push these ants back. Oh, whatever, HQ. Must be the valley walls. With Concentrator's firepower, these ants go down pretty well. Especially because they're not the acid spitting variety. the enemy's numbers are decreasing, and we haven't lost too many troops. Yeah, this mission's as good as done. Right, looks like there's a few ants left. We'll survive this ambush, but they're up on the higher levels, so we're gonna have to get out of this valley to hunt them down. And guys back there will handle that, and I'll go for this unit up front. Right, that's mission complete. Thank you for watching today's episode. This body so twisty. And I'll see you again next mission.